Excited to be back?
That's it. Right, let's go.
Yeah, lads.
Good to be back.
Oh mate, love it.
Whee!
Yeah.
Slow peel. There he is.
Oh, sorry.
How are we doing?
I'm great.
You happy to be back?
Back, baby. Let's go.
Go.
Seeing the fixtures?
Let's go.
Seeing the fixtures? What do you reckon?
It's alright.
Oh, the
Yeah.
rest of the scene.
All right, start. Nice long trip.
It's not too bad. I think the journeys this year are going to be a little bit better.
Yeah, got some closer games.
Yeah.
What about April's looking a bit tough, isn't it?
April, yeah, but I love a challenge.
MJ's been waiting very patiently.
Gentlemen, it's all right.
How we do? Let's go.
You alright? Yeah, I've just arrived, literally just arrived.
You got time?
Yeah. Good to see you back anyway.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good.
Hello. That's all you alright?
Yeah, you?
I'm good, thank you.
Josh has come down 10.
I think that's because of
Staying with 14 10.
the 31 thing.
The 9 was available.
Yeah, you wanted it.
Ask Wayne, he said no.
The last 2 weeks more. That was.
It was actually so.
That's 2 kg.
It was just.
Hey, how you doing, mate? Alright, mate? Yeah, actually.
You can say stuff like that.
Rest. The arms up for someone. What are we? We all okay? How's it? Good.
What does that actually mean? So it's next time.
But then extend. Hey, don't extend.
Decided on your new number yet? Talk to me about the haircut.
It was too hot in front. I had to cut it. Yeah.
How concerned were you that all your goals were hidden in your hair?
Right there. It's below the hair. It's there.
You send 3 back and you work from the 3rd box and so on. Then you'll leave 3 up, 2 will come down, and then the winner of that will finish it. So the finish of that will be the winner.
Check. Good. All 3 of you next box. Good. And then this last box, Arch, you and Pedro have to touch it. Yeah.
Just get it up, quickly get it in.
Arch.
Oh! Nice one, Dave!
Yep. Good. Check as well. Good. Now just those 2 have to touch it. The rest of you can if you want. Come, anyone can finish it now. Anyone can finish it.
Hasty and Jacko can't touch it.
Oh!
Kay's got touch. Anyone can finish. Done.
Nice. 2, 3, through the middle, turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, good, through the middle, turn. 1, yeah. 2, yeah. 3, well done. Yes. Done. Turn yourself out.
Yeah, well done.
Okay. Ready when you are. 1, 2, 3, through the middle, with Arch. Referee it. Just remember, Zandy is filming this if you lie. Alright, that's on. Get over.
I was waiting for him to hit me with it. Like,
Bro, I'm not trying to hit, I was trying to hit a line.
He's aiming for Kyle.
Nice. But if you started your point, finish it.
okay.
Nothing off the Astro.
You can win this, yeah?
You finish your point, you're done.
Right. Yeah.
This one then? You won? Okay. I will give you the choice whether you want to play against the winners or the losers over here.
Yep.
Yeah. Standard, by the way.
Yeah, I can just fix it there.
Standard, good standard. Oh, yeah. Hey.
Wait, 3-3, it's 3-all.
3-all.
Excited to be back, Matt?
Absolutely. Can't wait. Been waiting for this day for 7 weeks. Every day of my honeymoon, I was dreaming for this moment.
Just sat at home looking sad.
So what you're saying is this is better than your honeymoon?
Absolutely. Absolutely. No way I'd rather be.
Thoughts on the new gear as well?
Well, the boys are buzzing with the vests. Absolutely buzzing. A little bit of...
a lot of tensing going on. We've
there is. I mean, I'm surprised Pierce is wearing one, to be honest with you.
Reckon there'll be competitions on the gun show or something?
Well, in fairness, it shows off some good arms.
Yeah.
Use what you've got.
It's meant to be PG content.
I feel like I look really good, but I don't know if I do.
It's not about speed there, it's just about getting you feel for the ball, getting your bodies back moving. Feeling good in the balls. Get a feel for the ball. Queen, are we in this circle? Yes.
Jebs is in this one, I don't want
Oh!
Hey! Tim!
Stay one, buddy. Take a step.
Listen, no heroes. Christ. So me and Tim have to pass it?
Yeah. These two have to touch it in this box. Anyone can put it in the bucket though. Take your time. Anyone can put it in. Very good. Up, 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 up. MJ, up, up, up. Yeah, there we go. Lead 3. Little sandwich. Wow. Yeah, we're in. Yeah. All 3 got to touch it.
Come here. There you go.
Next.
I got it.
Hit the front man then.
Both of you need to...
Here we go, lead 3.
Partridge all over the shot.
Come on.
What? So Sween's just dropped it.
Great save,
Start, great shape. Hands. Both feet, H. Okay. Not a big lunge, back in, check to the side, back in, and the backwards one, and back in. Once you've caught the ball after those, you're going to roll it out to Jacko, who's going to be by that goal. You're then going to come and make an angle. Jacko's then going to play you back first time, and you're going to play into that goal. Feet. Shape, Paige, great shape. Feet. Feet. Great feet, H. There. Pull it on this one.
Finishing them off. Start from early. One in the stand.
For the hat trick, Jeff. For the hat trick. Oh.
Let's go hat trick.
6 laps is good. Aim for 5 at least. Okay, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we get on a jog.
Connor says, guys, this is your work for today. Make sure you put it in, please.
Down the straight, nice and relaxed, relaxing the shoulders, just open your legs down the straight. Get round the corner and open it out down the straight, nice and relaxing the shoulders. Lengthen the stride down the straight, just lengthen your legs down the stride, or straight.
Good. Go on the move, come on the move. Step, Bundy, step. Bundy, in front. Pass in front of him. Good, head going. Get out, Bundy.
chaps to know we're only jogging there, chaps to the sports, they'll come past, follow the ball, we have 4